Why do I look like a baby? Hello guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's felt like a hot minute. I literally think it's been years. Well, it feels like years. Obviously, it's only been like just over a week. But it feels like I haven't put out a video in a very, very long time. If you are a regular, or if you are new, I'm gonna give you the lowdown. I'm gonna give you the 411, the motherfucking What? I can't believe I just said all of those words. I'm coming to you in toe form. I don't know if you know what toe form is. Me and my friends say toe form. It's when like you are a physical toe. You know, like a big toe or a little toe, because you haven't like got ready or like done your makeup or your hair. So you are in toe form, which is what I'm in right now. I actually searched that on Urban Dictionary. It's not a thing, so I'm just like, I've been stressed, okay? That's why I've not done a video in a while. I've had loads and loads of life things to do. If you are wondering, or if you are a regular and you're like, where the hell is he? This is mine and Scott's new apartment. So me and Scott have moved in together. He's at work right now. I was like, I'm gonna film a video because I've not done it in ages. We moved flat and then we went to Disneyland Paris with ASOS for their Magical Pride trip. And then I stayed in Paris with Lacoste because it was the release of their new fragrance, the French Panache. So I was there for that. I went to the tennis, don't know anything about tennis. And it was the French Open, which is quite a big deal. And I was like, what is this? Can we go on the pitch? And they were like, it's a tennis court, not a pitch. I was like, I see. Then we came back and we just had loads of like little issues with the flat, but it's all good now. But we're still waiting on furniture, so it's basically a crack den at the moment. Scott ordered that blow up sofa, but it's not really doing much. But yeah, so we don't have any of our furniture because it takes like 6 to 8 weeks to finalize it. Even though we did order it a long time ago, it's just taking longer than expected. So don't be expecting any nice backgrounds or home tours or room things for a while because it's not gonna happen. Can we talk about the view though? So this is gonna be my office slash dressing room, and this is the current state of affairs. So we like moved straight in and then we went to Paris the next morning at like 4 or 5 a.m. So literally have been unable to unpack properly or do anything, which is why I've been stressed. But I'm feeling good about things now. I just want to like get this really organized and sorted out, and then I will open this bad boy. I feel like so many things have happened as well since I last made a video, like the end of Game of Thrones, is that it? The end of Drag Race. I've got so many new clothes as well that I want to show you guys. I haven't done like a recent pickups in a while. I also have no idea what I'm gonna do with this room yet, like decoration wise. So I've been on like Pinterest, going ham on the inspo, looking at like furniture stores and all that kind of jazz. Sound like an old man. But for now, I just need to tidy this up. Okay, so I've just sorted out this room. Well, I mean, I say sorted out, I've just basically moved everything here and made it a bit more organized. It's so noisy with the window open, but it's too hot, so I have to keep it open. Also, can I point out that I think I really like black and white shoes because that is all I have. Except for my sparkly pair of JW Anderson Converse, but they're in one of those boxes. So now let's do this bad boy. I think it might be too big for even this area. I wish I had like more angles on this so you can see. It's in like a big sack. The IKEA art event tag here, and I think this is a big kind of sack thing. So this was an absolute nightmare to get on the day. Like, I think the IKEA website broke. Obviously they've never had something that's like a lot of people are trying to buy at the same time. IKEA's usually pretty chill. You just go, you have your meatballs, and you take a walk around the store. Obviously doing this collab with Virgil, they probably didn't anticipate the demand and how many hypebeasts want homeware. I'm not calling myself a hype beast, I'm just saying that like in general. Even this bit is like, oh, even the bag for it says keep off. This bit here. I hope you're finding this interesting because literally this is the most random video I've ever done. Probably apart from the video where I told people how to turn a long sleeve shirt into a short sleeve shirt. I think that's one of my best ones. There's a bit of plastic on the end here, which I can hopefully cut off using this. Ah, yes. How funny if I just like blood started pouring everywhere. And then this whole video would have to be cancelled. So I think I keep this little sack thing. Ooh. So I think I'm gonna have this in my office, I'm not sure. This little tool is incredible. It came with our Simba mattress, which was not sponsored because they wouldn't send one to me. So I bought it, but this little tool came with it and it's been so good for opening boxes and stuff. It's so cool! Okay, I'm gonna bring you up here for the reveal. Maybe I can kick it that way. And it will like... Oh wait, now it's the wrong way. Ah! Oh my god, it's huge! Oh my god, it's so big. Where is that gonna go? That doesn't even fit this room, and this room is huge. 1 second, let me put this up here because we're gonna have to figure this out. Come with instructions. Vacuum and rotate the rug regularly. Okay. Maybe the other way. Maybe like...
This is hard.
I think it's too big this way. I knew it was going to be big, but I didn't think it was going to be this big. This is a first world problem if I ever did see one. This is the first and foremost worldist problem. But I'm sure I will figure it out. I mean, we do have a really big lounge now, where I'm sure it would fit, but I didn't think Scott was too keen on the design of this. And obviously we have to both like it because we live together. It's too big this way round. It's honestly so big. It's too big. This is like a fucking, this is ridiculous. This is taking up all the room. Bit of info about this. It was from the IKEA site. This is the first of the Virgil Abloh IKEA collection that's dropped so far. I think you can see up my nose. It was £400, and when it said 3 meters, I was like, that's fine. But now I'm like, this is huge. I do love it though. It's a really cool print. Maybe I can put it in the main lounge and Scott will learn to love it. So we'll see. Yeah, it says keep off. It's like a grey blue kind of rug and it's insanely massive. I don't know if this even counts as an unboxing or a video, but I think it's quite interesting to see because if you're thinking of ordering it yourself, now you know that it's massive and you probably shouldn't. I might try and get a smaller size in it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one, it's so big. Could this be my thumbnail? I'm like a hype beast now. Yeah, it's sick, it's really cool. It's just obviously too big. Maybe it would actually fit like the other way if those boxes weren't there. But honestly, this just takes up my whole kind of like dressing room space. Because I guess it could have rails and stuff, but then it doesn't really, I don't know. I'm gonna end it here because I don't know where else this is going. I would love to know what you think of the IKEA Virgil Abloh rug. Interesting to see how large it is. Obviously measure when you buy furniture. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video, little life update, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
This is hard.